Hi! In front of me is Motorola G14 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Devices settings and click on Connected Devices right away. Then select Connection Preferences. Click on Printing and finally Default Print Service. Now just wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to use different service, disable this one by clicking on this switcher. Go back. Tap on Add Service and download the best one for you. In my case, HP one. When your new service is ready, go back to the same settings. Lastly, click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!